Today, I'm going to teach you how to activate Gmail in Google Workspace. This is essential if you're managing email services for your organization and need to enable Gmail access for your team members or specific departments. Let's walk through how to get this done quickly and efficiently. First, you'll need to access the Google Workspace admin console. Open your web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This is the central hub where all administrative settings for your Google Workspace are managed, so you'll be spending time here whenever you need to configure services for your organization. Once you're on the admin console page, sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account. Make sure you're using an admin account, as regular user accounts won't have the necessary permissions to modify service settings like Gmail activation. After signing in, look at the left-hand navigation panel and click on Apps. This section gives you access to all the Google Workspace services your organization uses. From there, select Google Workspace, which will show you a list of available services. Depending on your interface, you might see Gmail listed directly here, so click on it if that's the case. Now you'll be in the Gmail service settings page. This is where you control whether Gmail is active or inactive for your organization. The next step is crucial because it determines who gets access to Gmail. You'll need to choose your target scope by selecting either entire organization if you want Gmail enabled for everyone, or you can select a specific organizational unit if you only want certain departments or groups to have access. This flexibility is particularly useful for phased rollouts or when different teams have different email requirements. Finally, set the service status by choosing On to enable Gmail for your selected scope. If for any reason you need to disable it, you can select Off instead. Once you've made your selection, click Save to apply the changes. The activation will take effect, and users within your chosen scope will now have access to Gmail. That's all there is to it. You've successfully configured Gmail activation in Google Workspace, giving your team the email access they need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.